reviewing and washing a G63 AMG. Not that one, this one. But before we're going to do that, I'd like to show you a very special car. Today we are here at Van Esch. They're specialized in selling Mercedes and also some other unique cars from time to time. It's this SLS Brabus that has a V8 engine, which produces around 660 horsepower. And the owner of the car told me it sounds really good, so I'm curious. So we've got the SLS Brabus. Crazy. Damn. With 580 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, you can go 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. Nowadays, most people use the G-Wagon as their daily driver, but it's originally made to be an off-roading car. And judging by how dirty it is, I think the owner knows what this car is made for. So when you're off-roading, while you're in the passenger seat, you have this big handle you can hold on to, which is rock solid, and also of course the standard handle that comes at the top. So being an off-roader, it is a low range mode for the gearbox, and it also has 3 different lockable differentials. Asking the G63 AMG, but expect car care. If your wheels are as dirty as these, it's important to thoroughly clean them with multiple tools. If you properly rinse your wheels, cleaning gets a lot easier. Spray Blast Heavy Duty Cleaner on the visibly dirty areas for extra cleaning power. You can remove the majority of the dirt by properly pre-washing your car. This will make the contact wash a lot easier. Now that we have pre-washed the car, it's time for the contact wash. Add a drop of flow to your bucket. 1 drop is enough because flow is highly concentrated. Make your car water and dirt repellent for 2 to 3 months with Glowup ceramic spray coating. Glowup will also add a deep, rich, candy-like shine to your glossy paint and will give more of a richness to your matte paint. Dry your entire car without leaving a single drop of water behind with our pull-off drying towel. Clean your steering wheel with purple interior cleaner. Remove finger spots from your multimedia display with clear glass cleaner. Protect your tires and give them a matte satin finish. So if one G63 wasn't enough, we got a second one and a third one. Let's take it for a spin. I really understand why people use this car as a daily driver. This specific car has massaging seats. You got, of course, the cooling seats and the heating seats. I think it's full option. Got the panoramic roof. It's great. You're sitting high. You feel like you're driving a tank, and not just a normal tank. You're driving a tank with quite some power. So let's see how it feels. We're driving in comfort right now. Gonna put it in sport plus actually. Let's see how it goes.